What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and I'm back with another bang. Today is another Gele tutorial video, so let's get straight into it. We're using Gele today, so grab your Gele, grab your pin, have a sit down, pause the video if you need to, and play it back when you're ready. So this Gele, I folded it into two and then folded it into three, placed it on my head starting from the front, and I came around to the back and I tied the knot. If you've got hair like this packed to the back like mine, you want to tie it over your head and not under, because you might mistakenly tie your braids with the Gele and you don't want that. You don't want to hurt your head. So once you've done that, I took the one side of the Gele, twisted it, and I got my pin and secured it in place. So I wanted the fronts, the pleats and the ruffles to be in the middle, so these Geles will be meeting in the middle. So once I did both sides, I got it, and then I brought them in front, crisscrossed them and pinned them, secured them in place with using the pin. Once that was done, I pinned both sides one at a time to make sure they're in place and they're secured. Opened up the Gele, started my ruffles from the top, and I pinned as I went. So you can see that I tried to start the ruffles without pinning, and the Gele was shifting. So this is why it's important to always pin it before you start your ruffles. So I got my pin, I secured it on the side and I secured on the other side, and then I started the ruffles. And that was it, guys. That's basically it. Keep watching, keep a close eye on how I achieved the ruffles and the pleats at the back. And keep watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I, Lizzie Atkins, upload new content. Keep watching, guys. I'll see you at the end of the video.
There are tunes again, oh. There are tunes again, oh. Sound it. Oh, get deep on the beat, and I'm feeling the thing. So baby, do you really wanna get it? Do you really wanna get it? Maybe you should really come and get it. The way you're looking, boy, you gon' get it. And if I give you hope, you gon' take it.
Okay, guys, so this was the completed look of the gele, and I thought, oh, hold on a second, I could do something different with this. So I just folded in the top part of the gele and I pinned it, and it just gave it a whole totally different look. And I was like, okay, that looks nice. So, hey guys, you've got two gele in one, two gele tutorial in one. So whichever you are happy with, whichever one rocks your boat, please, please, please feel free to do it. And yeah, guys, don't forget to follow me on my social medias: Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and TikTok. And on here, YouTube at Lizzie Atkins. See you in my next video. Bye.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star.